Assalamu alaikum. Muridi how far na?
Normal o.
Shehun no dey.
Shehun don comot o. Shehun no dey. Wallahi Shehun don comot.
Hey, kasala don boss be that o.
Wetin happen now?
Wallahi na Aljanu dey worry my sister.
Aljanu. Na Shehun dey do that kind stuff o. Wallahi, na Shehun dey do that. And Shehun don comot now.
So how you go be now? Make we go run am now.
Kai, you know say all this kind thing, e get as e dey do. You go still come back now.
Make you go run am. That girl dey suffer. The girl dey suffer since yesterday.
Talk. Make we kukuma go see how the thing go be. See where she dey now.
She dey house. Make we go abeg. Make we go my friend.
Talk. Make we kukuma go see. But
go.
Go see.
You forget your phone.
All this kind. Where she dey? See her now. The thing dey serious now. Talk. No problem. Oya, help me lock the door. Oya, who you be? I say who you be? Oya, come on for her body. I know anything. Come on for her body now. Come on for her body. Wait, no we fight. Wait. Hey, Joe, hey, why you Adlala? Hey, Joe, hey, Joe, we not in life, Joe,
Stupid. So Muridi, you don't get mine. So you don't get mine for this life. You dey follow my customers.
Sorry,
for back. You dey stab me for back, Muridi.
No, Joe.
I'm highly disappointed in you.
No, Joe, I don't follow customer, Joe.
So you follow customer from Islamia. So you enter their house, they come out and look for person.
No, Joe, I don't power
how much you give am? How much you give am? Shehu, I don't give am anything, Shehu. Now Muridi go do work for you for free.
Shehu, you don't give me anything, wallahi,
Shehu. I don't give am shishi. Shehu. So Muridi, now so you be, yeah?
No, Shehu, no.
I don't know where you be.
Sorry, Shehu.
You say I don't know your whereabouts, Abi? Muridi, make I tell you. You know say you dey for my palm like this. Anywhere where you dey waka go, I dey follow you. I be dey track your movement. Anywhere where you go, you get tracker for your brain.
No, Shehu.
Make you leave. So no dey enter my business again. You hear ba?
Shehu.
You are very stupid.
Sorry, Shehu.
God help you say I come.
Sorry, Shehu.
Where the Ajenu dey?
Sorry, Shehu.